Are you looking for free online marketplaces to sell your products? In today's digital world, starting an online business has become as easy as clicking a button. There are countless free online marketplaces for retailers and business owners to easily market and sell their products to consumers. The goal of selling your products in an online marketplace is to reach potential customers. You achieve this by targeting the places where they spend the most time online, searching, shopping, and social media. In this video, we will look at 7 free online marketplaces to set up your online store, increase sales, and grow revenue as a business owner. Number 1. Jumia is one of the largest e-commerce sites in Africa. The platform allows businesses to market and sell their products easily. With Jumia, you get unlimited access to your online store. All you need to do is set up your store and market it to potential customers on Jumia. Once a customer makes a purchase, Jumia notifies you. What can you sell on Jumia? Almost any product, from home electronics to phones, laptops, furniture, and much more. This platform is free to use and incurs no registration, maintenance, or monthly costs. Jumia collects a cut with every sale you make, but this depends on the delivery method of the buyer. How do you get started on Jumia? Simply visit the Jumia site. Register as a vendor. Fill in all the necessary details on the online form. Go through Jumia's training for new sellers. Upload your products and start selling. Number 2. Jiji. Jiji is a popular free online marketplace where business owners can sell their products in Nigeria. On Jiji, there is a free exchange of products. What this means is that consumers can sell products that other consumers can also buy. The site has huge traffic, making it a good platform to attract a wide range of customers. The platform incurs no registration or membership costs. How to get started on Jiji? First, visit the Jiji site. Create an account and fill in your details. The account needs to go through verification. Once verified, you can upload products you can sell. Note, each product needs to be verified before becoming available for customers to buy. Number 3. Olist. Olist is one of Nigeria's free online marketplaces where small businesses can upload, market, and sell their products. With Olist, you can easily advertise your products and sell them to customers online. What's more, Olist allows you to sell services like logistics and legal services. How to get started on Olist? Simply visit the Olist site and click on Start Selling. Register and fill in your details. Once your account is set up and activated, you can start uploading your products and selling them to customers. Number 4. Printivo. Do you offer print design services? Printivo is an online marketplace that allows print designers to sell their design templates to customers in Nigeria. You can sell any print design, from gift cards, business cards, stickers, roll-up banners, and so on. How to get started on Printivo? Go to the Printivo site, register, and create your profile. Create your design using the Printivo Designer tool or upload your designs. Post your designs for sale. Once your design is approved, it then goes live on the website. Printivo handles the delivery and customer service for you. With each sale, you get a 15% cut. Number 5. Scrater. Scrater is an e-commerce site that works as an escrow. What makes this site peculiar to others is its anti-fraud system feature. Like the above platforms, you can easily upload items and sell them to customers. Scrater is completely free of any membership or registration costs. The platform only charges a 1% escrow fee on every sale made. How to get started on Scrater? Visit the Scrater site and create an account. Fill in all your details. Pick your logistics preference, i.e. what delivery option you would prefer. Lastly, upload your products and add your prices. Number 6. Custnap. Custnap is an easy-to-use e-commerce site that connects buyers and sellers across Nigeria. This platform uses a fantastic user interface of snap to sell and chat to buy. You can sell anything from kitchenwares to gadgets, accessories, games, and more. How to get started on Custnap? Simply visit the Custnap site to register, post a product, and sell. Number 7. Carfortify. Are you a car dealership business owner? Carfortify is an online marketplace that allows sellers to put up used or new cars that buyers can get quickly and at an affordable price. As Nigeria's largest automotive auction provider, you can easily sell, swap, or buy cars on Carfortify absolutely free. How to get started on Carfortify? Find out the initial value of your car by typing in the model, year, and other information here. Book an inspection appointment at a Carfortify center near you. Carfortify will then give you the best offer, sign off the deal, and initiate payment. Today, it has become easy to start an online business thanks to e-commerce sites and free online marketplaces. You can go through the list and find which best suits your type of product and start selling online today.